Quarantine Diaries Day 1. There's a new mystery happening at my house, and it's blowing my mind. I can't seem to figure out what it is, and I'm whispering because I don't know if the couch is gonna hear me, if my bed is gonna hear me, but why is it that I fall asleep so quickly, unintentionally, on the couch, but when I get in my bed at night to sleep intentionally, can't do it. All right, we are going barefaced today. I love it. I love giving my skin some time to breathe. As usual, you know your girl, I've got a hat on because my hair just doesn't last as long, you know, between washes, and I don't want to always wash it. Where am I going with this? No one cares. Today, I'm going to do another haul similar or exactly like the one that I did a couple of videos ago, where in today's Dollar Tree stuff, I'm going to show you more items that have a farmhouse feel to it. So all thanks to Sierra for this video idea, and I absolutely love this. There are a couple of new things, but I will say the majority of it I've pulled from my stash, and also I have some DIYs that I've done to show you guys how I use Dollar Tree items and, you know, put them into the farmhouse realm. So let's go ahead and dive in. This is actually a recent item that I picked up at Dollar Tree, so it's pretty new, at least in my stores, and it is a typical glass jar that you can find, or a vase, at Dollar Tree, but they added this chalk piece, and you can definitely tell that it has that chalk texture to it. I'm gonna have to buy a couple more, and I'm gonna organize my pantry with this. A standard typical good old mason jar. I've done oodles and oodles and buckets of DIYs with Dollar Tree mason jars, which I have a DIY playlist down below. So if you need to just like see videos back to back of my DIYs, you just click on my playlist. I'll link it down below for you, and it will just play them in order. This cute little jar right here, I think it's just very farmhouse, and I love the style to it. Gives me like that old school milk juggy look to it. I don't know if that's right or not, but that's kind of like what I feel when I see it. And then this jar is probably my favorite of all of them that I think is very farmhouse. It has this look to it. You can see that there's a spot for a label here, and then the top of the jar has that you know, galvanized look, that country look. And if you were to either paint this with chalk or slap like a label, which was in my first Dollar Tree farmhouse item haul, this would be cute in an organization, craft room, study room, bathroom, all of those things. So I think it's just perfect for farmhouse. Here's another item. This is pretty old. I pulled it again from my stash, but I love the black twist to this. It gives it that fresh modern farmhouse look. You can put a tea light in here, and it's just, right? Farmhouse, right? Here are two picture frames that just goes so well. So if you are definitely looking to farmhouse your space, this is gorgeous because you have that galvanized backdrop, the wood natural look of the frame, and then you have the little clip. Easy way to just add a message or a picture. Here is the same concept in a mini form, but there's no galvanized detail to it, but it does have the little clip and then the wood. So I love those. Here is some decor that has that look as well. Comes with a cute little knob, and you can see this one just has that faux chalkboard look in the backdrop. And then we've got some of these buckets. You have this one, which is pretty old school, has been around for over a year now, and it has the jute twine wrapped around the top, gives it that earthy feel with the galvanized, you know, look to it. I've done so many, I have a lot of like floral and stuff I've put into those. And then here's this one, flowers and garden, farmhousey. I love the handles of this as well. I took a look in their garden section, and these two items I thought would be a perfect fit for this video. Honestly, just because of the country outdoorsy quality of it. This metal garden hook, which you could use in a lot of different DIYs, indoor and outdoor, and I like that it's already black. And then you've got these really fun plant labels. I think you could do something, you know, very farmhouse in here, and not even just use them for plant labels. There's all kinds of DIYs you could use for this as well. Also the same concept with these wood beads. They're very colorful. I think the yellow one is very farmhouse to me, and the green one just off the bat without having to do anything to them, but you could always spray paint these or paint them. I also found this black sand at Dollar Tree, and I thought this would be really great for DIYs as well, and it's that black color again. For some reason, now that I've been thinking about doing the upstairs in a more modern twist with a industrial feel to it, I've been really eyeing a lot of black colored products at the Dollar Tree to build that farmhouse look upstairs. Here's another piece and from a recent haul. The lemons also speak that same style to me, and then you have the galvanized, the charm of the, you know, earthy wood. And here is a fruit. They do sell like grapes and oranges and things, but apple, and especially this apple, really screams farmhouse to me. I love how realistic this one also looks. Here is a DIY that I want to show you guys that has some lemons, and I used all Dollar Tree stuff. I will link it down below. I use this to build that, you know, lemony farmhouse look. Here is this DIY, which is in my entryway, and it's just books that I've taken the covers off of. This I didn't even DIY. It just, these books automatically had this paper bag quality to the binding, and then I took some twine, wrapped it around, and I just think that it just fits very much into my farmhouse style. So I will also link this DIY down below. These DIYs are kind of random, but I found them as I was trying to search for things for this video, but kind of not random too, because Easter is around the corner and spring is here. These are some carrots that I made using Dollar Tree jute twine, even the green one. They do sell the green, and I wrapped it using Dollar Tree carrot bubbles. I'll also link it down below, and originally it was filled with bubble, you know, solution stuff. Here is some more DIY material. It's more nautical rope, but I think that you can swing this farmhouse as well. And then we were looking at this in those first few items, but these are the clip push pins, and they sell them individually, and you could definitely DIY this. You could spray paint these, and it just has that industrial feel to it, which I think also works into that farmhouse element style. These two, I was looking for these because I knew the moment Sierra requested for me to do this style of video, I immediately thought of these two items, and they are the little chalkboard wood stakes. I originally actually got these for my daughter's graduation and didn't end up using all of them. You can see that there is this very standard style, and then this one has the outline in white. I don't know, just super farmhouse to me, and they sell these in the craft floral aisle. I don't know if everyone's Dollar Tree is built the same. And then here is a cutting board, but it's very natural wood. Of all the cutting boards Dollar Tree sells, this one is the most farmhouse to me, and you could definitely do a lot of DIYs with this as well and not use it as a standard cutting board. And then the last thing in this haul is this picture, Farm Fresh Rooster. It's in black. It's fantastic. I absolutely love this. I have so many wall decor pieces that are very farmhouse. They'll be probably incorporated in the next series of this style video. But I love it. I love the black, the rooster, farm, sweet, farm. Don't miss the sweet there. And then the wood. Everything about this $1 item was done with perfection. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And a DIY is coming soon. I think it's gonna be Monday's video, so stick around. I haven't done a DIY in a minute, and this one I'm very excited about, and it got sparked from the first Dollar Tree farmhouse haul, which I'll link that one down below. Just know that this is the second video in the series, and I'll try to number them so that if you're ever new to my channel and you just need to see all of them, I'll try to group them together for you, and maybe I'll even build its own playlist and get that started too. So don't forget, my DIY playlist is linked down below. Farmhouse haul number 1 is linked down below, and that's it. Also, thank you guys so much from the first video where I asked you ideas for what other kinds of videos I could do. I saw some great ideas, so thank you. I'll be incorporating some of those. If you have any other video ideas you want me to do, drop them down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.